Hello, my viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Blossoms Mystery. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year. As you know that this is a debate tutorial whose teaser I have already given and have received a list of topics from you all. And among them, I have chosen the topic given by Shampa Ganguly as it is related to our day-to-day life. Since it is a debate tutorial, so please follow the rules and the points we will use in the debate so that you can use the same things when you will debate with someone else on the same topic. So the topic of the debate is online classes are better than face-to-face classes. Now the characters are... Hi everyone, my name is Pramita Ganguly and I am going to say against this topic. Hope you all like it.
Hello friends, my name is Ahana and I am going to be saying in the for of the topic, online classes are better than face-to-face classes.
Hi everyone, my name is Pramita Banerjee and I am the moderator of this debate. In today's debate, two contestants are participating. They are Aprajita Ganguly and Ahana Das. I wish both of them good luck for this debate and I hope the viewers of this channel will enjoy their views.
So let's start with the debate. Hope you all will like it. As I have told you before that this is a debate tutorial, so please follow the rules and the points which we will use in this debate.
So my first point in the for of the topic is, if we ever forget to take our books, then we can easily collect it from our bookshelves as we are at our home.
My first point against the topic online classes are better than face-to-face classes is, in online classes there can be a lot of eye problems because we have to sit for a long time near the smart devices such as the smartphone, laptops or computers. Whereas there will be no such eye problems faced in face-to-face classes. Now, I would like to rebuttal my friend Ahana's point. If we forget to bring books in school, then we can easily share it with our friends. This also helps everyone to become helpful by nature.
My second point is, we can safely attend online classes at home because no travel is needed. And I would like to rebuttal my friend Aprajita's point. The thing which she is saying about facing problems in the eye can be avoided by reducing the brightness of the computer screen.
My second point against the topic is, in online classes, the students as well as the teachers face a lot of network problems. So it becomes very difficult for the students to understand the lesson and for the teachers to teach it. Whereas there are no such problems faced in face-to-face classes. My rebutting point is, although there is no travel needed for online classes, there is a huge requirement for high-speed internet connection continuously.
The timings of online classes can be made flexible according to the needs of the students. I would not like to rebuttal the point my friend said previously.
My third point is, in online classes, there is no direct interaction with our friends and we can't even share our feelings with our friends. Whereas we can do all these in face-to-face classes. Now I would like to rebuttal Ahana's point. During face-to-face learning, we follow a strict routine according to the school hours. But now, as the online class timings are quite flexible, we hardly follow any day-to-day routine and take everything very casually.
During online classes, the students can email their teacher whenever they face any study-related problems and clarify their doubts. Whereas it is impossible in the face-to-face learning because of fixed school hours. I would like to rebuttal Aprajita's point. Friends can talk to each other and share their feelings with each other through Zoom app and Google Meet.
My last point against the topic online classes are better than face-to-face classes is in face-to-face classes we attend our school regularly and apart from studies we take part in other co-curricular and extracurricular activities which is impossible in online classes. It keeps our body fit and our mind healthy. Now I would like to rebuttal my friend Ahana's point. In face-to-face classes, we don't need to email our teachers because we can talk to them directly in the class or at any other convenient school time.
My rebutting point is although we can't take part in co curricular and extracurricular activities, we can follow some online apps or videos to keep ourselves healthy.
Well, both the contestants have stated their points quite logically. As the moderator of this debate, I will summarize the views of the contestants and finally declare the winner. The topic of this debate is online classes are better than face-to-face classes. Ahana thus spoke for the motion. She stated clearly that online classes are much better than face-to-face classes. It is because many a times students forget to take their textbooks to school. But if they are at home and attending online classes, then they can easily collect their textbook from the shelves. She also stated that online classes are quite safe because students don't need to travel a lot. The timings of the online classes can also be made flexible according to the needs of the students. She also stated that students can take the advantage of contacting their teachers during the classes or even after the classes are over through their social media accounts or their social accounts. Pramita Ganguly spoke against the motion. She stated quite clearly that during online classes, the students might face a lot of eye problems because they are exposed to their computer screen or their smartphone screen for a long time. She also stated that online classes are not that advantageous for students. It is because they can't interact with each other. They can't talk to their teacher or they can't even share their feelings, share their thoughts with their friends. She also stated that in face-to-face classes, students have the opportunity to attend school regularly and also take part in the various co-curricular activities organized by the school. This is nearly impossible during online classes. So these were the various points stated by both the participants. Now it's time for me to declare the winner of this debate. It is really a tough choice. But after considering all the points made by both the contestants, I declare Pramita Ganguly as the winner of this debate. Congratulations, Pramita. At the same time, I must also congratulate Ahana Das for being such a tough competitor. Congratulations, Ahana. I wish both of you good luck for your future. Thank you so much to the viewers for being so attentive. Thank you.
So I hope that that you all have enjoyed this debate tutorial and have also understood the rules and the points we should use in a debate. My next debate will be on the topic given by Ananya Paul, which is women empowerment. Then I'll do the debate on the topic given by Milind Ganguly, which is science boon or bane for us? So let's wait till the next debate tutorial, which will be on another amazing topic. Still now, if you all want to give more topics, then please write your topics in the comment section below. So bye everyone till my next video. Thanks a lot for watching my video. I hope that you all have enjoyed and liked this debate tutorial. Please like, comment and share my YouTube videos. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel Blossoms Mystery and hit that bell icon to get notified when I upload more new videos. Keep following me in my YouTube channel Blossoms Mystery.